Want to build your summer girl wardrobe, but you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to nail the summer girl aesthetic, from key wardrobe pieces to must-have accessories, and the best places to shop for them. Ready to dive in? Let's go! The summer girl aesthetic embodies a vibrant and warm spirit, celebrating the essence of summertime bliss. From flowy dresses to laid-back denim shorts, every element of the summer girl aesthetic exudes a carefree spirit and a love for outdoor adventures. Enthusiasts of this aesthetic are drawn to the sun-kissed beauty of summertime and are often found enjoying outdoor activities, beachside escapes, and leisurely moments basking in the warmth of the sun. Now, let's explore the essential pieces that define this sunny style. First up, the color palette. To capture the summer girl vibe, infuse your outfits with the season's vibrant energy. Think soft pink, blue, mint green, crisp white, orange, and yellow. These colors are your go-to shades. The essential pieces. Begin by selecting a few key pieces, allowing them to serve as the foundation for your wardrobe and style exploration. I will provide you with the essential and optional pieces for this aesthetic, along with pre-made outfits using these items. These are the basic necessities. Now let's take a look at some of the outfit combinations. But wait, there's more! To further expand your summer girl wardrobe, consider adding these items. Finding the right pieces is a breeze if you know where to look. However, you must remember to strike a balance between quality and affordability. Here are some websites that offer cute and stylish summer girl outfits. Embrace the radiant allure of the summer girl aesthetic, where hibiscus flowers bloom and coastal charm inspires every outfit. Whether it's the gentle sway of a dress or the sparkle of a seashell bracelet, let your style exude the carefree spirit of the season. Thanks for joining us on this summer fashion journey. Until next time, stay stylish and sunny.